How to download Inshot on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily download Inshot on PC. So first thing, just open up any web browser and simply search in for Inshot and just click on the first link which appears over here. And as you can see, it's only available for the App Store and Google Store, Google Play Store or App Gallery. So it's not actually currently available for PC. You can also read it over here that it's not directly available on PC, but you can use Android emulators such as BlueStacks or any other Android emulator to actually download the application just like this. So you can basically download the BlueStacks, which is one of the best Android emulator. And once you're inside here, you can just open the Google Play Store inside of that emulator and make sure you have successfully signed into your Google Play Store account. And once you're finally inside the Google Play Store, simply search in for the particular application that is our Inshot and simply download it from over there and install it as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.